What the fuck is that?
That's my camper, mate.
No, that.
That? Oh, that is the most significant feature of my camper is that it is DIY built. There's a lot of hot glue.
Is this hot glued on?
Yeah, so I've decided to become a full-time Pikey, and I bought a camper van. What do you think, Dave?
Yes, it is a camper van. I'll give you that. It's got a bed inside it.
It does have a bed. There's my seats. There is a not an insignificant stain on it. It could be piss.
It's a bit nautical. So what I'm going with. It's
Anchor lights, bilge pump. I've got a bilge pump, David.
there's a toilet in here.
There is not
a shitter.
There is not a crapper, I'm afraid. There's
Is that not in there? Is that not a crapper in there?
no. Well, normally that would be like shelves.
Are you sure?
But there are no shelves. That is a chest of drawers. I think it's from B&M.
It's not a shitter.
I
can confirm it's not a shitter.
Oh, they're not coming around. This is oh, the good thing is this has got the tailgate on it. This is the one that you want, because the tailgate means that when you're in the UK, which we are, it will piss down with rain, and then
You can hide under here?
you can stand under it.
Yay.
That means it's good because we can film drifting from here.
You sure we can't get a toilet in there? I think we can get a toilet in there.
Well,
You
you
can climb it. You can get in
you can climb in
there.
it.
If you needed to, you can get in there for shit.
Well, there is that's a shower nozzle
Oh yes.
thing.
It's a shower. A wet room.
So there you go. Now you're ready to have a cup of tea and a pie next to the motorway. That's it. You're officially ready. Oh, you can do video editing. This, I mean, it's a good size. It's a good size cupboard. I'm not sure it would fit a shitter, if I'm honest, David.
Hey,
but
give a shit in there.
it's a gas bottle. No, you shouldn't have a shit in there. That's my shoes are in there still.
Gas bottle.
It is a very small gas bottle. You're very observant.
Teeny baby gas bottle.
But this is not a standard colour. You maybe could have guessed that. It used to be. Actually, I can show you what colour it used to be, because there's a little piece right here where the paint's chipped. Used to be like a navy blue colour.
Now it's British gas blue.
It's yeah.
Scottish gas blue.
Yeah, I don't know why someone would pick this colour, because it just looks like you bought a British gas van. It's like if you were buying an RAC van, they are bright orange.
Yeah, they're all orange.
So why would you spray one orange? Because then people would think, oh, you bought an RAC van, you cheapskate. Anyway, I'm not really into camper vans, but
he's in a dogging.
But the dog and with Jesse and I going away on some camping trips, and
I mean, look at a dogging.
yeah, that's the latest project. If you see this bright blue monstrosity out on the track, come say hi.
Oh, on the track?
Well, not on the
Jesus.
track side.
If you see us in the track, get out of the fucking way.
Yeah, because the brakes aren't good. And I can't accelerate out of the way because the turbo's dead. Sidebars?
There's an alarming amount of giving them.
Yeah, I told you. I don't know if they're entirely. They might be cosmetic.
This.
Yes, David? That's my bumper protector thing.
Okay.
I think.
Why?
But because I haven't removed it yet.
Okay.
I'm slightly concerned that it might be navy blue.
It's not actually painted under there. Yeah.
Or it's not painted or something.
This doesn't look stock, if I'm honest.
That is well, I don't know what that is. I think there's an array of aftermarket bumpers that you can get on these things, and those inserts, people steal them, and I think those are just the latest set that have been replaced following a theft.
That haven't been painted blue.
That haven't been painted blue. Because if the fella knew he was going to sell it, maybe he just decided not to bother. But it does have 19s.
Oh!
They are from a Volkswagen something.
That's good, that means it does be expensive.
Dog, what are you eating now?
Eat my hose and...
Ah, sausage. Give me that. Don't eat that. Big Dave might eat it. It's kind of saliva coated. Do you still want it?
No, just now, thanks.
So it needs some help, David. It needs strap top mounts because it goes boing. It needs a timer belt, a water pump. It's had a clutch.
It needs a bit of love, yep.
It needs a bit of love. The wiring is.
Insert a picture of wiring? I think that is actually a battery.
How do you tell? Wow, look at the size of that connector block. What are the things? Like, what is that blue thing?
I don't know.
And the orange thing? Oh, look at the bare wires coming out the back of the blue
Smart com.
thing. There's bare copper coming out of the smart com.
There's bare wire there.
Yes. Yes, I know. I thought that would upset you. But it's one. The other thing is the switches. Like, there's a switch there. What does it do? Nobody knows. And there's another one. There's another secret switch underneath the yeah, it's under there. Yeah. So button there. Don't know what that does.
Might have just
but it's there.
this you several times.
It doesn't have a lot of boost, if I'm honest. It has some boost up until about 2000 RPM. Okay. And then the boost goes away.
Okay.
So we might have to fit a giant fucking turbo to it.
Okay.
Or the intercooler might be blocked, I'm not sure. Seems more likely the turbo is dead.
I just like it to not go on fire.
Right, you go in there and
Mostly not.
put your hands in the head unit area and start pulling. If you can figure out what any of the switches do, that's a bonus.
Hands-free kit.
There is a beep. You turn it on and there's a beep, so I assume yes, there's a hand-free kit in here somewhere.
Hands-free kit. There's a Nokia. Oh, for your wow! Do you remember phones that old that actually connected on the bottom that wasn't USB?
Yeah.
Wow.
Proprietary connector. But that's connected to something, David. I don't know what.
That goes somewhere behind the glove box.
So somewhere behind this glove box,
yeah.
there's a device.
Oh,
Do you hear a device? There's a device. Like, what is that?
That's the hands-free kit.
But why do you need two hands-free kits? What's that?
That's the mute box that goes in line with it. Yeah, that's.
Yep, more hot glue.
That's in there.
The interior trim, it rattles a lot, and only two of the fans work.
Nice.
This fan and the one there, they don't work. So that's gonna have to come off at some point as well. I bought a head unit.
Yes.
It's somewhere. I think it's in your garage. Yeah. But at least it's got some ISO connectors. But Leah, look at them all.
So
look at his face.
You can ignore all of that.
Well, that's what I was hoping to just cut.
That's just them.
That's what I was hoping.
And we'll find the hands-free kit so we can take out the.
That's one of the rattles. There are many.
There aren't many, but
I think the glove box itself rattles.
Oh, okay.
When you're moving along.
But
look at the space.
Look at all that
so much
space for
and
activities.
Things that you can store on the bonnet and like. Yeah, and look at my wooden trims.
Oh, wow, that's
picture rail maybe.
Attractive.
Like the wood screws.
Yeah.
Like this thing, it's a decent job. I got it at a very good price. It needs some love. It needs a good service because, as usual, I've bought a car that has basically no service history.
Why is the handbrake inside the passenger seat?
I don't know. I did think it was a little strange, but it pulls up kind of to the side.
It's bent. That's what it is. It's bent.
Really?
It should be in the middle.
I think it has been kicked at some point.
Your hand's supposed to be.
Well, yeah, my hand does bash against the seat when I try to pull it up. It's difficult. Maybe it needs a good thump. Someone's taken the roof rack off it.
It's nice of them.
How far along is the roof rack? Is it there? So you can see the clean mark where a roof rack used to be and now it's gone.
Now it's not.
But solar panel, David, going on the top, so that we can charge our laptops while we're at Driftland filming videos. So we can stand underneath our dry canopy, make a cup of tea, we can sleep together in the back here. If you like that sort of thing. But as you can see, I've already started amassing parts. Fire extinguisher, glue, 4K dash cam. That thing there allows the front seats to swivel. So this massive front seat can rotate. I imagine it's like doing a 9-point turn sitting on a chair. Oh, another thing is, it has a tow bar. It could tow something.
It can tow things.
Given how little power it has, I don't really want to tow anything with it, but we have the option. What have you spotted?
Small children with hammers or bits of metal or...
No, it looks like, what is that, like hooks or something? I like how they're drinking their iron brew like it's Buckfast.
Yeah, just like Daddy.
Just like Daddy. Wow. So there's my camper.
Yes.
I don't know if anyone here is going to be interested in the camper, but this needs a lot of work. We've got some wiring, a turbo to fit. Maybe. But there's lots of work. Anyone interested in seeing a camper build? Like, we can show you. We're going to do it anyway, so we can show you along the way. It might be something interesting. It will make winter filming
very blue.
It's so blue, isn't it?
It's all the blue.
But that's good for rust because it means that it's had several layers of extra paint on it. So yeah, I like it. I didn't expect to actually like it. I bought it to be like a temporary, like minibus type thing. But I think once we start using this as a base for filming, we might never want to get rid of it. So there's my van. Let us know in the comments down below in the thing if you want to see more of the van, and we'll try and film as we're doing stuff. You see?
Where are you from?
Where did you get that from?
Where did you get that from? Like, I didn't know I had lengths of wood.
That's a good bat in there.
I know.
That's
Does he take